Alrighty folks, the next thing in our little chicken feed series thing here is black soldier fly larvae. Now I tried several attempts. You can see some right in there crawling. Now these here, I tried it with fruit and different things. I done it with grain this time, and you can see, you can watch it moving around down there. Alrighty, but black soldier fly larvae, you can buy it, but done a little bit of research there. They're all over the place. I didn't know that, and Carolyn had been seeing them flying around. And like I said, we tried with the fruit and different things, never did get them to come. Well, this here, we had soaked some of this grain and corn and then drained it out, and Carolyn said she's seen one of the soldier flies flying around it. Chickens love these. Now there is oodles in here. When I first started, you could see the ground moving in there, or the grain. There's different sizes, but you can save them. They claim you can freeze them, and then later on, if you want to dehydrate them, you can. Chickens love them. Great protein. There's a pretty good size one there. Alrighty, but we'll have a little bit more info on them a little bit later on. I just thought I'd show you these this evening. Alrighty folks, you can see all the black soldier fly larvae down in here. This is just a little simple container, and this here is just some soaked grain. You can see all the different sizes. Hopefully you can see that little feller. But they just eat grain, food. They're good for compost bins. I'll show you a few things there, pictures. They're like 50% protein, a good number of calcium. They're just all around good for your chicken. You can use them for fish bait. It even says there about, if you've got enough of them, feed the pigs. You can see them there, and then you just keep them fed there. You can throw in leafy greens, any of your scraps you can feed in here to feed these, and they'll feed the chickens. I tried several times, you know, using just fruit and stuff like that there, trying to get them to come in, and then finally they come in with the grain. And down the very bottom of this, we just got some peat moss that's wet. Alrighty folks, thank you for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon.